in the second World Championship in 30 years. Now the pitch. Slow bounce to the third. Coming in, man. He's up with it. On to first in time to Trinkle for the out. Jam shot, and Acuna gets thrown out by Mann. Good throw by Mann, one away. And here's the DH, Devin Ortiz at the plate. Right-hand batter hitting .283, 2 home runs, 19 RBIs.
Well, Acuna's on base.
For the club lead in round trips with 7, and Korea 9-15. Right here at Bull Stadium. And the pitch on the way in 2/3 innings. 1 out away from the right-hand to Wines, and the 3-1 pitch. Brooks ready again. Wines payoff pitch. Swing and a miss, and down goes Valenzuela. Strike 3, ring, and then retired. And the pitch on the way, and a strike on the outside corner to Lyle Lynn, the catcher, 0-1. He not only was a real estate developer building houses here in San Antonio, but for many years he was a scout with the Giants, and he would be a presence here at the Wolf. Fastball, and he used to chew tissue paper instead of tobacco because he felt tobacco was unhealthy, and obviously so. And the next pitch taken 1-2.
I don't think tissue paper is the healthiest thing either.
No, I don't think so, but that's what he chewed. 1-2 delivery and a swing and a miss on a slider, and Lynn strikes out. And Lisarka, after having a shaky first inning, sets the Midland Rockhounds out in order 1-2-3 here in the second, nothing across. At the end of 1.5, it's still Midland 1, San Antonio 9. Fireworks after the game, and a good bunt down the third base line. They're going to let roll, and they will not get Acuna. Perfect bunt single, Lynn, and the pitcher, Brooks, could do nothing but watch as the ball just laid on the grass and died, and a bunt single, and for the second straight inning, the Missions have 2 men on. Nice bunt by Acuna as Murphy goes to second. Both men can run, and now you have the DH, Devin Ortiz, who hit into a third, and Ortiz check. And the next pitch, double play depth. Now the 2-strike delivery, check swing, call, strike 3 on the outside corner, and Ortiz both looking on 3 pitches, 1 down. And for Aaron Brooks, that strikeout number is first time up. The pitch, swing and a miss on slider, and the 0-1 pitch, swing and a foul. Next pitch by Brooks, miles an hour. Big, strong lad. And it's hit on the Missions have struck. Back with 4 here in the third. Swing and a miss on slider. Mears goes down on strikes. Side retired. But again, Midland, and keep in mind they're seeing Lisarka for the second time around. And you have Lylan, and this is a big batter because he's been struggling. But let's see if Lisarka
able to wiggle out of any trouble. And the pitch to Lynn, he spins away from the ball game. Greatest fireworks show in town. Swing and a miss, strike 1. 1 ball, 1. Lyle Lynn, the batter. And he swings through that one for strike 2. He looks out at second base, delivers high for ball 2, and the count even. Here's the pitch. And the batter reaches out a run tonight. Popped up. That should be playable. Yes, it's on the infield. On the grass part of the infield, the first baseman, Sanabria, right there, makes the catch on the grass part of the infield about 10 feet to the left of the first base bag.
During that pop-up infield fly rule was automatically in effect. Batter had been out unless a
little bit of slump in the recent week. 1 ball, 1 strike. He goes out. Here comes the pitch. And he swings through it and misses, strike 3. And you know he's disappointed. And Murphy is still stuck down there at third. 2 gone. The sacks jam. And he cracks it at the third baseman. What a play. He steps on the bag at third, throws to the plate, and gets the sliding runner coming down. And that is a double play, a very rare double play. That ball was hit like a bullet, but right at the third baseman, man, who quickly stepped on third for 1 out, threw to the plate, and got the sliding Castillo.
Calderon now with the and
swinging right. He went around. Acuna tried to hold up, but strikes out, disgusted with himself.
Same hometown as one of the starters for the Rockhounds, Chen Shuang, who pitched a few nights ago on June the 5th, and the delivery fouled off to the first base Abbott for you. And the 0-1 pitch. Slider out, right-hander ready. Jones with the 1-1. Looped into right field, but right there is Mears not playing too deep. Makes the catch 2 men away. So Lynn is now 0 for 3 in this ball game, and he's now 2 for 7 in the series against San Antonio. Now here's Luke Bonsi. He's going to go to the bullpen, so that's it for leading away. So Daniel first, the pitch, a 1, And the pitch at a 5-1. The pitch, just field hoping for a double play. The pitch on towards second. The 1-2 delivery. Check swing. Call. Strike 3 on the outside corner. Meerschaert looking. One down, first strikeout for Emanuels. Kept pitching away from the right-hand batter and got the corner on that last pitch. And now here's the bottom third of the batting order. In fact, Trinkle has both of them. Lynn tonight has struck out, popped to first, fly to right. 0 for 3 in the pitch on the way. Swing and a miss on a hard slider, 0-1.
On would bring up the tying run.
On deck, Drew Swift, who came on to replace Colby Halter. That was in the 7th inning, the pitch, and there's the strike in the outside corner. Work show. Here's the stretch. 2-strike delivery. Ground ball slowing to third, trickling foul. Don't know. Right-hander ready. Here's the 2-strike pitch. Fouled away to the right side. We'll do it again. Right-hander kicks the 0-2 pitch in the dirt, and that gets away from Valenzuela, and that'll allow Trinkle to go to second. It should be a runner at second. That's Trinkle, and the pitch. And a check swing. Right-hander ready. 2-2 delivery. Inside the low. Full count, 3-2. 3-2 on Lynn, a guy at the plate struggling. And next pitch, fastball inside, ball 4. And now the Rockhounds have 2 men on. And like you said, Bob, tying run coming up to the plate. And Drew Swift, who reached on the walk. Pinch hitting for Halter.